Action. Welcome, this is the Charm Media House where we innovate media and empower stories. So namhlanje sizobe sikhuluma ngestory esicishe si-affecta everyone, whether you want to start up a business, whether you want to solve your personal issues. We're just going to be talking about money. So I'm here with the founder of Dimagato Solutions. So Dimagato, can you please greet my YouTube viewers?
Ngiyabingelela babukele emakhaya lo nibingelelayo uDimagato wakaPhegu Isibongo intombazane yase Pentown ngonyana waMosuthu odabuka lapha esigodini saseMpola sithi njengamafishane eMpola awumncinyana ngibonge iChamida ngokuinvite for the opportunity.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Showcase. So before nje sithi kungena ku climax yo daba lethu lwemali, how did Dimagato Solution began? What inspired you ukuthi ukuze uvule ibusiness lelo hlobo?
Okay, ngikhule ngumuntu nje othanda ibusiness kakhulu because bakhumbula abanye ngasekhaya bengumuntu nje obamba abantu amakhanda ngibaluke, ngumuntu futhi oyidayiselayo ngidayisa ice cream ngasekhaya. Then iDimagato Solutions iqale 2020 whereby ngingatholi ama funds anyway, but bengiphila ngemali bengiphiwa usisi wami from Cape Town. His soul rest in peace akasekho emhlabeni, but imali bengipha yona ukuthi ngiphile mhlawumbe mangiye varsity bengithatha yona ngiyibeke ngiyisebenzise. And again to thank my brother naye ese-UKZN, imali yakhe kaNSFAS bengihlephulela kuyona ngiyithathe ngibeke then ngibolekise ngayo. I remember back then kwakusawu 20% ayakhumbula ama client ami engangisebenzisana nawo ngaleso sikhathi.
Okay, no, it's quite inspiring.
Yes.
So ngiyazi lonke business lemithetho ne? So what are the terms and conditions ekumele ngihambe phezu kwawo kuthiwa ngifuna ukuthola iservice from Dimagato Solutions?
Okay, Dimagato Solutions interest rate yethu u 40%. Iqala ku 40% interest yethu. Then kuba ukuthi ngisebenza to month to month basis, of which is that kumele makuphela inyanga obusuyikhokhile leyo mali leyo ne-interest yakhona. But kuyenzeka sometimes usokuthi i-client mncamiso lizoba late ngo 2 days or 3 days, that when ngithi ngi-add khona u10% we-penalty that leads to now 50% if i-client libe late ngama payments. Then again kube khona ukuthi mhlambe let's say uba nenkinga ukuthi manje imali ngeke usayikhokha noma muyiboleka ungitshene prior ukuthi kule nyanga ngizocela ukuthi ngikhokhe i-interest kuphela. We understand. So that leads us now to a double interest. Kuleyo nyanga mephela uzokhokha interest yakho, then enyangeni elandela usuzokhokha interest plus the amount that you took. That's how we work at Dimagato Solutions.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So how do I qualify to be helped noma kuthola i-loan at Dimagato Solutions? So kumele kuze kube njani, qualify kanjani?
There are no qualifications, if I may say, just that a client or my customers umuntu kumele azazi iphakethe lakhe ukuthi ungabe usuthatha imali ekugcineni ezokukhama ezokuxabanisa no Dimagato ukuthi angaphinde akusize.
Okay. Asasithi ke nabo ibank ngithe ngifuna isizo ibank la ngqaba ukungisiza. Nasengiyafika. How do you deal with situations like people abafika uthola ukuthi ba blacklisted?
Okay, usually ebhizinisini lami umthetho wami uthi ngisebenza nabantu engibathembayo, people that are in my cycle, engazi ukuthi usibanibani ngizomthola kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi. And angikaze ngibe nama challenges ama client angihluphayo ekumele ngiwalandelele now and then. Into engike ngithanda ukuthi ngistress kakhulu kuma clients ami ukuthi let us keep communication all the time.
Communication.
Yes, communication is the key. Yes.
Okay. So, what advice here from even the small cycle that you have, abantu mhlambe ababukile manje,
Yes.
ukuthi what advice would you give to umuntu ofuna i-loan kuwena?
Okay, advice engayinikeza umuntu ofuna i-loan kumina ukuthi zazi iphakethe lakho, ungabe usuba greedy, ungabe usufuna imali enkulu engaphezulu kwamandla akho. As much as ubona ukuthi uzoyi-afforda ungikhokhele ngijabule nami, but ekugcineni ususala manje usuphila umuntu kaDimakatso all the time. Like zazi iphakethe lakho ukuthi okay, mina isalary yami u5,000, so kuDimakatso ngingaboleka ngigcine kwi1,000. Yes.
No, guess what? Okay. I know people have been borrowing money. It's been how many months or years now?
It's been it's 5.
It's 5 years.
Yeah, it's 5.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So in this 5 years time, any maybe positive story in mhlambe umuntu ozofika afike adinge usizo then mesathola service kuwena? Any success story nje from people?
Okay, as much as ngiyenze ngimention ama clients ami ngamagama, but I have this one client of mine, a big client of mine, uke washare a testimony nami ukuthi Dimakatso yo ngiyabonga ngemali yakho ubhuti wami uthola license, ngemali yakho ubhuti wami uthola umsebenzi, and I was so happy and humbled ukuzwa such story from my client.
Yeah, it's actually a good thing.
Yeah.
Ubona abantu abaphumelelayo empilweni zabo ubawazi kahle ukuthi bathola usizo at Dimakatso Solutions.
Yathandazelwa le mali.
Iyathanda.
Ayiphumi nje kuphela.
God first. God first.
Yes.
Okay, well, so zizwele ke mbukeli lapho ukuthi kumele kube ukuthi you are within the circle of Dimakatso kuze uzokwazi ukuthola usizo. So which means this one is just dedicated to people who are around isakhe kaDimakatso ukuthi bawazi ukusizakala makuthiwa nje bazokwazi ukucommunicate bathembeke, otherwise inkinga zabo zizosolveka with Dimakatso Solutions. Without any waste of time, ungakhohlwa ukulike, usubscribe. Any last words before we just wrap up?
Ukubonga nje kuma clients ami ukuthi siphathane ngenhlonipho, like they respect me, and for the communication that you give to me guys, much appreciated. Nokungihlonipha nje, as much as ngimncane, I have ama clients amadala, obaba bemizi, omama bemizi, but bayangihlonipha, abathathi advantage ukuthi lo umncane ngingenza nami kanjani at any time. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu lapho. We out.